was just supposed to be a regular night. A man, we'll call him Marcus, was sitting at home, watching TV, when he heard loud banging outside. Through his window, he saw two figures trying to break into a neighbor's car. He didn't hesitate. He picked up his phone and called 911. He gave a full description, stayed on the line, and even stepped outside to flag down the responding officers. Marcus thought he was doing the right thing, being a good neighbor, a good citizen. But what happened next left him shocked. As the officers thanked him for the information, one of them suddenly looked at him and asked, "What's your name again?" He told them. They typed it into their onboard system, and their faces changed. Moments later, Marcus, the man who just helped stop a crime, was in handcuffs. Why? Because of an old unpaid traffic ticket from over a year ago, something he'd forgotten about entirely. A bench warrant had been quietly issued in his name, and now, thanks to his good deed and giving the police his identity, they had found him. The same people he'd just helped were now taking him to jail. Sounds unfair? Welcome to the reality of what can happen when you call. Almost in many states, once law enforcement runs your name, even if you're just a witness, they have every right to act on any outstanding warrants, no matter how minor. This isn't a one-off story. Similar cases have happened all across the U.S. A woman in Florida once called to report domestic violence only to be arrested for missing a court date. A man in Texas helped a lost child find their parents and was jailed minutes later over a suspended license. These aren't criminals, they're citizens trying to help. But when you enter the system, even to do good, the system doesn't forget your record. Here's the legal part many don't know. Police must act on active warrants if they encounter the person tied to them. They can't legally ignore it, even if you're the one who called them for help. In fact, dispatch systems automatically flag names. So when you call 911 and give your identity, it's not just to help, it's also logged, recorded, and cross-checked against law enforcement databases. So what can you do? Should you never call 911? No, but you should know what's on your record. Check your local court database. Resolve outstanding fines or missed summons. Because even if the reason is small, like a missed car inspection or a forgotten court, fee an active warrant is still a green light for an arrest. And when you're the one reaching out for help, you could be the one in cuffs instead. He called 911 to do the right thing, but the law didn't care. It just saw a name in the system. And in the eyes of the system, that was enough.